Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the most common issues now in the AI industry, which is using the most popular LLM models like Opus, Sonnet, Codex, and also for Gemini, and Grok also. So the thing is that it is like huge potential of credits that it is using on those LLMs. So all what you need to do, which is to get the reducing of those usage. So all what we need to do, which is I can copy paste the link here. I will give it to description. So here guys, it's a tool that you need to integrate to your project, which is the AI agent drawing in CLI noise, which is CLI noise can reduce the comments before that, which the total comments in input output tokens, which is the input tokens can be 11 millions to become 1.4 million tokens, is like to saving a lot of credits and a lot of money to so on. So thing is, which is you need to go the first thing that for installation, and here guys all what you need to do is just get this link to install new projects. Go ahead and keep using your LLM models as gonna be reducing the confirmation state you and so on. I hope it is really helpful for you guys. I hope it is. It is. If it is work, comment below. If it is not, let me know guys. I hope it can solve your issue. It's Mutaki, and all what you need to do is subscribe to the channel guys, like and share the video. Peace.